I feel that I can be a character artist right now in a big company. My name is Juan Jose Perez. I am from Colombia. I am a lead character artist of a medium company for video games. In the industry, I work around 5 years. I take the likeness program. I really like the realism, and the realism in the program it's really impressive. With the program, I feel that I very close to the level that I want to present myself for international companies. I chose Atom Hard Linux because it's a really hard phase. When I start the program, I feel a fear for the part of the look depth and the texturing part and the render part. The pipeline of the program is very cool and is very useful for me, and I feel more comfortable now. The feedback was really good. I really love go to Discord and read the comments of everyone there. The community is very friendly. I really enjoy with the school part, and especially in the early part of the program when Marlon talked about the part of the skull of the face change. I don't know nothing about that. I feel that I can be a character artist right now in a big company. I am right now making my portfolio. The program pushed me for that.